Today we're in Shoalhaven Heads removing some existing panels off the roof and replacing them with a full new system. It was an older system, it was 1.5 kilowatts. It wasn't doing anything for the people that they'd only just purchased the house, but they could see that they needed to do something else to cater for their power needs. We discussed the option of putting another system beside the existing, and just with the age and the possibility of an inverter breakdown with the older system, they came to the conclusion that it was better just to pull the old system off and put a whole new system on. New warranties, new panels, more efficient panels, and taking up less roof space as well. When we do a tile roof, we grind the back of the tile out so that our tile hooks that come out underneath the tiles will sit down flush. The boys pulled the tiles back and they sent me a photo of the tile hook that wasn't even screwed to the roof truss. The other thing was that when we make a penetration in the roof, we use a Dectite. It's basically sealed down onto the tile. The system that we did this morning, they just stuck a bit of conduit out from underneath the tile, which is, it's just a no-go. So that system was, the way I see it, that system was thrown up there in a hurry, and you pay for what you get. The quality of panels wasn't great. There was a few issues with the installation as well. The panels had micro cracks in the cells which come up as snail trails, which is going to affect the efficiency of the panel, performance of the panel, backed up with a cheaper Chinese brand inverter. The age of the system and the inefficiencies of the panels, and with the quality of the system as well, there's no guarantee that it wasn't going to fail in a very short period of time. They just weren't going to get anything out of the system, and hence, wanting to pull that one off and replace it with a bigger system or a full system.